I just noticed this the other day. This might be really stupid. Make fun of me all you want, but this kind of U up here is the Lululemon logo, and I thought that was really sneaky because I've had this shirt for a while and I've never noticed that, but it's the logo. So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emma, and if you're new here, thanks for joining me. I'm excited to have you. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos, and go ahead and like this video if you want to see more of this type. Today I'm going to be sharing my top 5 favorite Lululemon pieces. So if you are interested in finding out my top 5 favorite Lululemon pieces, please keep watching. So a good quality piece for me, from any brand, the first thing I look for is how comfortable a piece is. And that is these leggings right here. These are the Align crops. So they're super short. They have the logo right on the back of the waistband. The Align pant in general is really soft and buttery. So it's just a really nice pant to move around in and to lounge in. It's not necessarily the best pant to work out in just because it does show some sweat marks, and that is from, I think, the buttery material. So I highly recommend these. These are probably my favorite leggings overall from Lululemon just because they are so comfortable and they're really form-fitting and just look nice, and they also are not see-through, so that's always a plus. So these are what they look like on. My next favorite piece are these shorts from Lululemon. And these are the Hotty Hot shorts in the 4-inch version, so the long version. They do have a pocket here on the side, which is really nice, and it actually does fit my phone in it, which is awesome. So if I'm running, I can just stick my phone in there or my keys and not have to worry about holding on to them. There also is a nice little string here on the front to keep them tight if they do start getting loose on you. And then there's some hidden pockets within the waistband, which is really nice. So I really like these. They have really cute mesh detail on the bottom, and the logo is right here on the side, on the back of the shorts. If you are looking for one piece to buy from Lululemon, I would recommend these pants. So these are called the On Fly pants, and they're full length, and I just got them in black. And they are so comfortable, but they're also really professional looking. So if you want something to either lounge in or walk around town in and still be really comfortable, or depending on what your job is, even wear them to work, I would highly recommend these. They have a nice little ruched waistband, which is really cute and flattering, and then drawstring right here, and they're just really, really soft. They're a slim pant, and I like to roll them up at the bottom, so I highly recommend these. I don't work out in them just because I like to have form-fitting clothes when I work out, but I think they would even be good workout pants. Another thing is the logo is hidden, which is kind of nice, so if you look closely you can see it, but from just looking at the pants on somebody you wouldn't be able to find the logo, which is nice and can look more professional. So I like that, and here's what they look like on. That I really love is this shirt. It's kind of their signature Lululemon shirt, and I forget what it's called, so let me look. So this shirt is called the Swiftly Tech Short Sleeve Crew, and as you can see, It almost looks like I'm wearing it if I hold it up like this. But it's just a really nice form-fitting shirt. Like I said, I like to wear form-fitting clothes when I work out, just so that I can see what my form looks like and if I need to make any improvements. So this is what it looks like from the back. So there's that. And here's what it looks like on. Is kind of cheating. It's the same pant. It's the Align pant, but it's not cropped. And I wear these to work all the time. I actually bought 2 pairs of the long ones because I love them so much, and I have the cropped pair as well. So that doesn't tell you something, and I bought it with my own money. That doesn't tell you that I love them. I don't know what will. So these are the Align full length pants, so I think they're 27 inches, and I am shorter. I'm 5'4", so I do have to roll them up one. The nice thing about Lululemon though is that they will hem your pants for free if you take them into a store. I just haven't gotten around to it yet, so I need to do that so I don't have to keep rolling up my pants. But I've heard somewhere that Lululemon, in order to include everyone into their clothing, they make their pants really long so that tall people can have the luxury of wearing them as well, which I think is really cool. And I don't honestly mind rolling up my pants. That's why I haven't taken them in. But the only thing about the Aligns is you have to be really careful about washing them. Otherwise they will pill, which is kind of annoying. So I always wash my Lululemon clothes separately from my other clothes, inside out, cold, delicate cycle. And then I just hang dry them. And the nice thing is they dry really well with that. So it's not that big of a deal. But anyway, so these are what the long Aligns look like. Okay guys, so that is the end of this video. Some honorable mentions that I did want to mention are this tank that I had on earlier at the beginning of the video. It's the Swiftly Tech material as well, the same as this shirt. It's just a tank. Something that's on my wish list is a longer sleeve version of this. I do just really like this material. It's really easy to move in. And yeah, I really like it. And then the last thing is the energy bras. I think that's what they're called. Let me check. So this is the energy bra, and it's like super supportive. I don't have a super big chest, so I don't need that supportive of a bra, but it is super comfortable. But it does have super cute detailing in the back, and it's just really cute. So that is the conclusion of this video. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button, and please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you join this family. I post videos every Wednesday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so don't forget to tune into that. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Bye! Okay guys, I don't know what I'm saying. Oh! Look at that, the sun's coming out. The sun will come out tomorrow. Look at this mug I got. Married with dogs, true and true. Gotta love them.